This video guide is about removing the online scam that is related to the website grey-note-bno2.click, and another similar website is grey-note-bno1.click. This website displays pretty misleading and scary alerts. By the way, you can clearly see that this particular alert is displayed in French, even though in most other cases it will be displayed in English. The website says something similar to the phrase that your computer is under the risk of being infected with viruses and potentially unwanted applications. So the website encourages people to click on this button that is translated as "Stay Protected," but when people click on it, they get forwarded to some other third-party websites that promote a totally different software. So there's something really scary and misleading in all these pop-ups, and you should not trust their deceptive content. Do not click on this button and do not interact with these fake alerts. If the allow button was mistakenly clicked by these pop-ups, you may start receiving even greater number of ads. So what you should do is to fix your browser by going to the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security Site Settings. Then in Permissions, choose Notifications and carefully research all the sites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find any malicious sites here, remove them completely. Also, consider checking the list of your browser extensions, because they may also sometimes display intrusive ads like this. Go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. So disable and delete any third-party extensions that could cause such troubles. I also recommend you to research the system additionally with Combo Cleaner, and you may get it on the official resource combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and start investigating your computer to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly remain on your device. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experience with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called Anti-Ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.